How to sign up on Dacast. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you'll sign up on Dacast. Alright, signing up on Dacast is very easy and this is how to go about it. So the first step is to open your web browser and then type out Dacast.com in your search box. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the Dacast page. So on this page, you can see the option and Dacast logo by the top left corner, and then by the right side, you can see the option dashboard or free trial. By clicking on dashboard, you'll be taken to the Dacast back office, and it is majorly for those that have an account already. So since you don't have an account, you select the sign up option instead, and then you'll be brought to the sign up page. So on this page, you're required to fill in all this information. So go ahead to fill them out. Then include your company's URL as well. Alright.com, and then enter in your password. Okay, ensure the password is very strong so that it can serve you well. Then if you want to be contacted by a demo, check the box. If not, scroll down and click on sign up for free. Alright, so you'll be asked to carry out a voucher. So ensure you do that and click on sign up for free. After clicking on sign up for free, you see a notification asking you to save your password, and also you see the option we are creating your Dacast account, so you can just wait patiently. And then once your account is done created, you will be taken to your dashboard. As you can see how beautiful it is, and you can always change the mode from being dark to a light mode. Okay, it depends on you, but I think I prefer this, right? So this is it. This is how you can sign up on Dacast. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to try this out now.